Epstein with your Wednesday morning flash news video, and this is for Wednesday, and we are on the 16th now of March 2022, 8:20 a.m. I'm recording President Zelensky's speech to Congress as it's going on as we're talking, so I'll be able to catch up with that, so I'm not going to miss anything. There's been sort of movement there in the sense that I think yesterday when the Ukrainians came to reality and said, hey, we're not going to join NATO, that gave an off-ramp suddenly to Russia if they want it. So they can say that they've got that. We'll see what it does. Don't expect that tonight there's going to be peace, but there's certainly movement, and Russia has as much as said so. So that is a good thing. Certainly seeing this man plea in front of the American people for help, that's very strong. I just saw a video before I began recording this of the bombings, but we've seen that every night. So there's much to be done there, and there'll be the standing ovation, everything. He's not going to get the airspace that he wants protected. That is the saddest thing. All right. So what else today? Before we get to the markets, the mortgage market headline recap. The base number, the index itself down 1.2%. You'd expect that. Interest rates are soaring. Today is Fed day. We're going to see the Fed raise interest rates, ideally a quarter point. Then we'll see what the dot plot looks like, and we'll see if there's any words on balance sheet runoff. The advanced retail sales, these are really not as good as they look there. And why would I say that? Because when you take in inflation, which these numbers on the surface don't do, they're lower. So while they say up 0.3, they expect it up 0.4 with inflation, it's probably not what you think. X-Autos up 0.2, they expected it up 0.9, and they revised January, which is a real number, up to 4.9 from 3.8%, and that's before the Ukrainian situation took off. Import-export prices, well, here you go. Import, we're up 1.4%. We're exporting a number of inflation, up 3%. And petroleum prices up 8%. You're going to see that number is going to crash on you because we've seen petroleum prices come down by about 1/3. National Association of Home Builders are update their monthly index this morning at 9 o'clock. Last month, the number was 82. They're looking for an 80 number. Business inventories will come out at around 9 o'clock. The FOMC statement at 1:30, the press conference. And at 9:30 today, we get the numbers from the EIA on petroleum stocks. So you watch all this. The question is, where do you go with it? I just see that Mr. Zelensky in my eye here. Remember, I've got a bunch of screens on. The conference has run its course, and it should have been short, and it was. Let's see what I've got here for you, and there we go. And we're going to cover this. So in a few minutes, our staff will start writing on what took place here. If you get my research, you are entitled to get Linn research as well during your whole subscription. This is only reserved for people with trading accounts with us, but we will be able to give that to you. You will see that. You will be able to get from us our, by the way, our futures trading kit may be something you should look into. Chart patterns, very important. Pivot point, 2 free videos, a rune indicator and pivot points. Mini courses that I put up for free for you there. The cause and effect, this is such an important part because you're now going to be like in the old Volcker days talking about M1, M2, M3 and money supply. Market does this, what's the impact? Free courses galore from the CME group. How do you get all this? So if you sign up for our free or you sign up to be paid research with me, you're going to get all the Linn research for free. In our trading kit, you get quite a bit, and we'll give you the free info so you can try everything out. Just go to our website. Under, on the left, actually not under, but on the top part on the left, it says free offers. Give that a click. Take advantage of it. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great trading day, and I will talk to you all at the evening update, the wrap-ups that I'll put out probably towards 6 o'clock or so. You have a good day.